Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create amazing fantasy art in Photoshop. So let's begin the tutorial. First click on File, then click on New, create a document, just click on Create. Then we are going to color our this document. So just click on Adjustment layer, select Solid Color and select, I think this one is perfect for my work. So then press OK and go to your desert image. First we just increase the size of this image, click on Content Aware, then click on right click, so content where work properly. So again do the same thing. So the content awareness is completed and we just select this one and place this one in our new document. Then click on Filter and go to Distort and Poly Coordination. Okay, then okay, this one is look pretty awesome and just click on. So this one is completed and adjust this desert image like this. So this one is almost done and we make little bit more adjustments. So we just select this area. So this one is completed and we just click on Edit, Transform and Flip Vertical. And again take a mask layer, go to brush, or you can take direct a layer, right click, clipping mask, then select a brush, change the color and simply apply this area. So this one is almost done and we just add more images like this one. So adjust this size and take a new layer. First we just merge this one and again take a new layer. Then this time we select Create Clipping Mask, then take a brush tool, simply select this color, make opacity 30% is perfect, and now we are going to apply this area. Select a mask layer, go to brush, select foreground color black. So this one is done and we just take another image. So this one is our second image. We just select this one and just drag and drop, go to mask layer, make foreground color black, select brush and opacity is 53% is perfect, and we are going to remove these lines. So this one is selected and select Edit, Transform and Warp and adjust this one. Go to Selection tool like Laser tool and we are going to select this area like this. Select mask, go to brush and select brush tools and we just apply this area. And select this layer go to eraser tool and apply this area. Okay, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V and remove this line. So this one is completed, and we just adjust the color of our soil image. So just click on adjustment layer, go to hue saturation, select clipping mask and adjust this one. Select this layer and go to adjustment layer, hue saturation, and adjust the color of this arc or this round. So this one is completed, and again select this layer and select mask layer and go to brush and make opacity 50% and simply apply these areas. So this one is done, and next we add shadow. So take a blank layer, go to brush, adjust the color of your brush, take black color, increase the size of your brush, make this one little bit flatter and apply this. Then again duplicate this one, select, place this image in that portion, and then again duplicate and again place in that area. Make this one little bit shorter and select this area, this sand image, and just take a blank layer, brush, select foreground color black, make opacity 30%, and decrease the size of your brush by using bracket key and apply this. Take a new layer and apply in that portion. So my friend, your artwork is almost completed, and we just select one more image. So this one is our last image. We are going to select this one by using selection, subject selection. So this one is perfectly selected, and we just place this image in our new document. I think this one is perfect place for my model. So I place this one. Increase the size of your image by using bracket key, select a mask layer, go to brush and make opacity 100% and remove this shadow. And select a blank layer, go to brush, 100% opacity. Take a new mask layer, go to brush and remove these lines. So your artwork is almost ready, and our final work, we are going to add shadow on our camel image. So just take a blank layer, go to brush tool and apply like this. Duplicate this one and place on that area. Take a mask layer, go to brush and remove these extra lines. Select warp, again select this mask layer and simply remove this area. So your artwork is done, and hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new tutorial. Goodbye.